Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on REN token. As in my so many previous videos, I have been showing you a very big falling wedge pattern. And recently, after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, REN token was retesting a quite long-term resistance of 5 cents as a support. And this was one of my last videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after retesting this support of 5 cents, that was by the way previously working as a resistance here, and the price and after the breakout retested this level as a support, and now it is geared up. And now for the past few weeks it is trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of 11 cents that has been previously working as a very strong support here for several weeks a month, and here it has been working as a resistance. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you that REN token is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that REN token has broken out this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is trying to break out the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. At the same time, it is also trying to break out this long-term resistance of 11 cents as well. But this time, the probability is very high that the price line may break out these two resistance levels, the Ichimoku bearish cloud, the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and this resistance of 11 cents, because it has also broken out this red line that is a very huge resistance of EMA 21. And after the breakout, you can see it is breaking as a support. You can see here it worked as a support here for a while. We broke it down, then, but again, we have broken it out, and now it can work as a strong support for the price line. And you can also observe that now this moving average, the EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart, is also lifting the price line to the upside as well. And we will also watch this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March, and not for the current month, for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for FIS, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 28th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of REN token, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that since after the month of May 2021, it was moving inside this quite long term and very huge falling wedge pattern. And finally here, after getting squeezed in the month of October 2023, the price line broke out the resistance of this wedge, and after that we had a nice short rally, but the price line could not break out this long-term resistance of 11 cents so far. By the way, so far from this though to the current high, it has pumped almost 202%. And now we need to break out this long-term resistance of 11 cents. And at the same time, we also need to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. So far, we have broken out this lower bands, and now the price line is trying to break out the upper bands of this cloud. And after the breakout from this Ichimoku bearish cloud, this can be another very long-term support. After the breakout, it will be flipped into a stronger long-term support for the price line. And you can also observe that we have also broken out this EMA 21 that is also working as a nice support, and it is also lifting the price line to the upside as well. And using this support of EMA 21, there is a very high probability that this time the price line may break out the resistance of 11 cents and this Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $1.30 to $1.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.